Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Whiteboard in your Android phone and iOS. So you need to go your Google Play Store or App Store to get the app. So I'm just going to click on the Google Play Store. So you can find this app on App Store too. So you can see Microsoft Whiteboard. So that's it, and after that you will get the Microsoft Whiteboard by Microsoft Corporation. So Whiteboard provides an intelligence canvas to create and collaborate visually. So you can see like it's too light, 6.1 megabyte, and 1 million plus people already download this. So what you need to do, you need to tap on install. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.